What's up, Voro riders? I'm very excited to announce that we have now carried the Arctic Leopard XE Pro R. This bike has been upgraded from a 72V 55 mAh battery to 74V 60 mAh battery. I know I have the Ultra B here, but I want to show you what has been changed from the Arctic Leopard XE Pro S to the R. The R comes with the front Ultra B suspension. So whatever that you see on the Ultra B is going to come on the Arctic Leopard XE Pro R. It will have the Ultra B brake levers, which usually you will spend about $200 to $300 to upgrade the brake levers on the XE Pro S. But now on the R, it comes stock straight out of the box. Now, there is a small change on the Arctic Leopard software update. For those riders who are trying to buy the bike, or you have bought the bikes from Alibaba, you're going to start seeing complaints on social media that the bike has been locked on the software side, where you cannot go past gear 3 or the battery cannot be charged more than 90%. It's because the factory has locked the software settings if the bikes are being bought through Alibaba and sold to the US. If you're planning to upgrade the Arctic Leopard XE Pro R to Supermoto tires, the rims are the same as the E-Ride Pro SS 3.0. Okay, so how we will try to support this brand better in the US, this entire bill of materials on the Arctic Leopard bike, from 210 different parts, they will be crammed into 14 different key components. So the 14 different key components includes the bikes that we are getting will come with a label that says factory direct. This means that these bikes are not purchased through Alibaba, these are straight from the factory floor. On the parts, we will be stocking them in a very intentional manner. So how we will stock them would be the 14 different parts will look something like this. If you're buying foot pegs, it will come with left and right set of foot pegs. It will come with the spring, it will come with the nut and the screw that goes through the entire set. The axle between the left and right foot pegs will be sewed together as a set. I understand if you want to just buy the right foot peg or the left foot peg, but for us to manage the parts better and make sure you get the parts quickly, everything will be sold as a bundle and a set. We'll release more of this parts catalog on our website very soon. I'm extremely excited to carry the Arctic Leopard on our website because anyone that has bought this bike has been telling me this is the best bike they have ever ridden because it's built for the dirt. So if you have an E-Ride Pro or a Surron and you have the Arctic Leopard, a lot of them, I'm hearing customers going for the Arctic Leopard bikes. Now the XE Pro R is the best bike so far that they have done. So if you want to check out this bike at one of our stores, please go onto the website, book an appointment, come by and test ride the bike. See you at the store.